अस्सलामुअलैकुम। एपीएस की जैसे कि हमारी प्रिपरेशन की सीरियल चल रही है, तो आज ये तीसरी वीडियो है और ये अप होल्डिंग कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल सुपरमेसी के रिलेटेड है। ये ओपिनियंस और एडिटोरियल्स जो प्रेस रिव्यू में पब्लिश हुए हैं, जो कि वो मुख्तलिफ न्यूज़पेपर से उठाते हैं, तो वही हैं। और सबसे बड़ी बात यह है कि वेल डिफाइंड होते हैं और इम्पोर्टेंट टॉपिक्स होते हैं। और नॉर्मली एफपीएससी के जो टॉपिक्स होते हैं, जो डिक्टेशन के लिए एपीएस के लिए वो चूज़ करते हैं, इन्हीं में से होते हैं। तो कोशिश करें कि आप इनको लिखने की कोशिश करें। मैं भी आपको लिखवाता हूँ। 5 seconds. Start. Here, as judicial activism is an approach to the exercise of judicial review or a description of a particular judicial decision in which a judge is generally considered more willing to decide constitutional issues and to invalidate legislative or executive actions, full stop. Since the very formulation of our first constitution in 1956 and the incorporation of second constitution in 1962 respectively, there has been an innate conflict between the jurisdiction of the respective functions of the legislature and the judiciary, full stop, para. The precise legal basis of the power of the judiciary to pass upon the constitutionality of acts of legislature via doctrine of necessity encapsulated in the case Federation of Pakistan versus Maulvi Tamizuddin has been a bone of contention in various constitutional debates accompanied by political skirmishes in the annals of our constitutional history, full stop, para. Convincingly enough, a balanced constitution is the one in which power is equitably shared amongst different organs of the state, thereby arranging institutions in relation to one another and the government governed so as to enable good government over time, full stop. Comparatively, the Constitution of 1973 is the most balanced constitution as it is the embodiment of democratic, federal and humane values, full stop, para. The Constitution of Pakistan in 1973 created an independent judiciary which is vested with the power of judicial review to determine the legality of law and any executive action, full stop. Judicial review is an essential part of rule of law, full stop. Judicial review involves determination not only of the constitutionality of the law but also of the validity of administrative action, full stop. Given this argument, the actions of the state public authorities and bureaucracy are all subject to judicial review. They are thus all accountable to the courts for the legality of their actions, full stop. The power of judicial review is granted under Article 199 of the Constitution of 1973, full stop, para. As the nation marked the 50th anniversary of the Constitution of Pakistan yesterday, it is an opportunity to deeply introspect as to how humbly we have abided with its original spirit of division of powers and emancipation of the society, full stop, notwithstanding a plethora of regrets in our parliamentary history coupled with truncated the representative regimes, what the nation state has to pride at least in the 1973 constitution, full stop. It is a landmark document that categorically enshrines democratic norms and envisages a pluralistic, progressive society, full stop. Its canons of governance are federal in essence with maximum provincial autonomy and assures at length social justice and equality as it consciously bestows sovereignty in the people's chosen representatives full stop. A glance at the constitution from its preamble to principles of policy and the subsequent 23 amendments that came its way have one way or the other evolved into an organic testimonial full stop. All that is needed is its implementation in letter, learn, to and spirit, and with the astute resolve to hold its supreme and sacrosanct, free from the hobnobbing of petty interests full stop. It is how a befitting tribute can be vouched as we watch our steps and refrain from putting it any more in abeyance full stop para. The 1973 Constitution has been every form of dispensation in its 5 decades of survival full stop. From weak elected governments to military rules and from law of necessity doctrines to 18th amendment that literally rewrote the working relationship of state organs, the law of the land has had enough summer some results full stop. This sentiment must live on and its supremacy assured at any cost full stop. Let the soul of the document to retain the concept of separation of powers and bar each organ of the state from crossing its limits be untouchable full stop. The legislature, judiciary and the executive 5 decades down the line must learn to coexist and see through the same prism full stop. It is a must for our civilized survival full stop the end. कुछ वर्ड्स हैं इसमें जो कि नए हैं या स्पेलिंग पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू के हिसाब से अहम हो सकते हैं, तो मैं उनकी डिक्टेशन करवाता हूँ, लिखने की कोशिश करें. जुडिशल रिव्यू, डिसीजन, विलिंग, कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल, इनवैलिडेट, एग्जेक्टिव, formulation, incorporation, legislature, jurisdiction, judiciary, constitutionality, encapsulated, debates, bone of contention, accompanied, skirmishes, convincingly, amongst, organs, arranging, relation, comparatively, balanced, embodiment, created, legality, determine, rule of law, validity, Supreme Court of Pakistan, opportunity, anniversary, emancipation, notwithstanding, parliamentary, representatives, democratic, plus realistic, progressive, plus realistic, progressive, maximum, canons, autonomy, equality, representatives, testimonial, implementation, untouchable, survival, vouched, petty, sacrosanct, dispensation, necessity, doctrine, some results, document, untouchable, सर्वाइवल, सिविलाइज्ड, फुल स्टॉप। इन वर्ड्स की कोशिश करें कि स्पेलिंग और इनके आउटलाइंस जो है कम से कम 2 से 3 बार बनाएं, ताकि ये वर्ड्स आपके हाथ पे सही तरह से आप उनको लिख सकें, आपका हाथ रुके ना डिक्टेशन के दौरान। दोबारा नई वीडियो के साथ हाज़िर होंगे, तब तक अल्लाह हाफिज़।